How to update GoPro Quik app. First of all, open the Google Play Store or Apple App Store on your device, depending on whether you use Android or iOS. Next, use the search bar at the top and type in GoPro Quik. From the search results, tap on the GoPro Quik app to open its page. If an update is available, you will see the update button. Tap on it to start downloading the latest version of the app. Make sure your device is connected to Wi-Fi or has a stable internet connection to avoid any interruptions during the update process. Once the update is complete, open the GoPro Quik app to enjoy the newest features, improvements, and bug fixes. If you don't see an update button, it means your app is already up to date. Now you know how to update the GoPro Quik app quickly and easily. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.